Today I finished the retopology of the jacket and the glove armor of the character. Since some parts of the jacket will be visible, I needed to give them proper thickness. So I started by extruding some polygons and snapping them back onto the surface. You might ask why I didn't just use a solidify modifier, since that seems like the obvious solution. The reason is that the zigzag pieces on the shoulder are too complex, and solidify would not give me a clean result. But that doesn't mean there are not smarter ways to save time. For example, one useful method is selecting some polygons from the outside of the mesh, flipping their normals, and then extruding from there. That's actually one of the fastest ways to build inner thickness for pieces like this. After filling most of the jacket, I selected the edges around the arm area and merged the vertices at center, since that part won't be visible from any angle. After that, it was time for the wrist armor. At first I planned to use the low poly pieces from ZBrush, but I realized their normals were flipped and they weren't matching the high poly form very well, so I decided to retopologize them from scratch. This part definitely tested my patience, but with some lo-fi in the background I managed to push through it. Then I moved on to the gloves. For those, I used a similar method to what I did for the inside of the jacket. I selected some faces from the body retopology, scaled them out with Alt+S, and then used a shrink wrap modifier to stick them back onto the surface. After more of the same process, I finished the glove retopology as well. These retopology videos seem to be more interesting to you than I expected, so stay tuned because I still have a lot more coming. Thanks for watching.